So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly create a tree map data visualization. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same step from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for rawgraphs.io. You can see the right URL. Just be very careful with the URL right there. Now let's wait for the site to respond, and it's since it's a website, you can access it from any of the software, any of the OS, or any of the device you have. Now once the site get open, all you need to do is just simply click on this option of use it now, and once you go over there, it will ask you to paste the data. All you have to do is just simply paste the data right there, and let's just show you with an sample data. Let's just select this one, and let's this is some sample data. Now all you need to do is just simply select the type of visualization you want from here, and you can see multiple options available for you to select. And once you are satisfied with your changes, you can even provide multiple parameters. And once you are done with all your customization, it will generate a visualized data graphs, raw graphs for you that you can use anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.